today we had invited Joshua D'Souza, the new MLA from MAPSA. So we have explained to him everything, how a land use map and register is prepared. So the authority today has also decided to make him the chairman of the town and country planning scheme, which is in progress in MAPSA. So त्या स्किमीचो चेअरमॅनूय ताका करपाची आयज आमी डिसिजन घेतला, and along with him another 7 members will be on board. So तेजी डिसिजन घेतला आयज आमी, आणि it will go to the government for final approval. So this is the main decision which we have taken on the town and country planning scheme ताका member करपाक. Secondly, जे land use map and register आहा पळय तेंचो म्युनिसिपॅलिटीचो मेन भाग आसा. MAPSA Municipal Council has been taken on board to see that every house is registered on the land use map and register. All the members of the municipality, that is the councillors, are involved in making the land use map, plus the public participation. जे कोण आर्किटेक्ट्स म्हापसाचे आहा तेंकां एम्बोर्डार घेवपाक लायला, तेंकां मेंबरूय करपाक लायला. आनी आतां सब कमिटीचो जो चेअरमॅन जातलो तो जॉशुआ डिसूजा जातलो म्हापशेचो. सो ताका आमी सांगला तुजी अंडर एटलिस्ट 3 मिटिंगी जावपाक जाय एट म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिल, and we will set up a whole sub office in MAPSA Municipal Council to see that land use map and register complete successfully. And same way I have told Uday, the mayor of Panjim, and also all the members of Panjim to work together, because last time there was a case filed by Corporation of City of Panjim, that is the ex-mayor Suren Futad, against the NGPD, that we have not taken them in confidence, and the case is pending in the Honorable High Court. So ह्या फावटी आमचो चेअरपर्सन आसलो, मेंबर्सूय आसले, all members were present, who are also the members of the Corporation of City of Panjim, the corporators. So I have told them that you have to work hand in hand to see that the members of NGPDA, the mayor, and also the MLA, all of them work together to see that this plan is completed.